Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can retouch your body to look slim in a video only by using CapCut. So just add a video of yourself like this into CapCut, and after that you can click on the video and find the retouch menu at the bottom. Click on the body, and here you can go with auto. In auto you can use select the body in here and adjust the intensity, but you can also do it manually by selecting the part that you want to make it slim. So click on a slim option here, adjust the part that you want to make look slimmer, for example like this, and just swipe the circle to the right to make it smaller or slim like this. Click on the check icon, and that's it. So that's how you can make your body look slim in a video only by using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.